Where's Gracie? Turn around and tell Daddy where you live.
Where do you live?
On my place.
What? Show Daddy on the map. Where's the map?
Okay, where's the map? Where's Kansas? Where's Kansas? No, yeah, that is a map. Where's Kansas? Hey, Gracie, where's California? Where's California? No, California. California, where are you? No.
Did you forget already?
She knows these. There it is. There's California. Where's Mississippi?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. Can you say Mississippi? Sing it. And Alabama's next to it. Can you say Alabama?
Alabama.
Okay, where's Florida? Where Kiki lives? There. Where's Maine? Where's Maine? Where's Maine? Up high. Where's Maine?
Oh,
No.
wrong way.
Where's Maine? There it is.
There
Where's
it is.
Washington? Where's the state of Washington?
Hello.
Lacey, show Daddy where the state of Washington is.
Washington. Do you know where Washington is?
Yes, she does.
Show me where Washington is, over there.
Show Daddy where Washington is. Where's Washington?
Good
There.
job.
Where's North Dakota? Where's North Dakota? Right there. Where's South Dakota? That's North Dakota. Where's South Dakota?
Good job.
There it is. Where's Mississippi?
Oh.
Mississippi.
Where's Texas?
Where's Texas?
Texas?
Yeah.
Good job.
Very good.